Hi guys, okay, today I'm gonna stir fry chicken bone. I know, right? Look at my area here clean, huh? My husband to clean it for me. So I have the vegetable oil here, so, and I have this garlic and dried chili. So I just need to get it. I know a lot of chili, right? But I love spicy food. If you don't want to make it too spicy, you can use a little as you like. You guys might never see this anywhere because Thai people, they don't like eat chicken bone or sell them because when you buy food, who you want to buy the bone, you want the meat, right? Not a little they know chicken bones better than the meat. So I'm right here, really crunchy already, and I'm gonna dump my chicken bone there. Chicken bone. Break in this guy. I think I add water too early, but anyway. I like to, I think I definitely add water too early. Oh, I shouldn't have added water. Anyway, a little too late now. Haven't cooked this a long time. But I'm gonna let this one cook and dry the water out. There. You want to make like the crunchy bone as the bone, the chicken bone is very good. Tastes better than just the chicken breast, guys. That's what I like to eat about. And you want to add MSG. Again, if you don't like MSG, you can use the chicken Knorr flavor. That's what I'm going to eat, to put in there. And add this sauce. Sorry, haven't cooked a little while though. I still figure out my website, build my own website is so difficult for me. So I'm gonna let this one cook and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So you wanna cook your bone until like really crunchy. You just have to cook very high temperature, okay? So I have to drain some water out because I apparently add too much water in it. So now I'm gonna add some of the black soy sauce. I know, right? All the butter oil, because I have, really tiny kitchen. When I fry something, all the oil everywhere. Looks pretty good actually. And now I'm gonna add my Thai basil, or you call holy basil. I know I have so little from my backyard. It's so tiny and growing, and I don't know why it's so slow. Sweet basil is easier to grow, but holy basil is so hard. So I'm gonna let this one cook a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I did some tasting as my stir-fried chicken bone here. It's so good. So don't put the water in there like I did. I eventually have to dump it out because I haven't, it's not supposed to be like water. This one have to be like flying in, and oil. This has to be crunchy. And so don't put water in there. Let the oil and the chicken and fry them until the chicken cook and the bone is, all the flavor cook very well with chicken bone and the meat, guys. It's so good. You know what, this tastes better than you stir fry chicken meat. Trust me, if you want to give it a try, guys, it's one of my favorite. My husband doesn't like to eat this because it's too spicy for him. He's a real American, can't handle the spicy food. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this one in in the bowl, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, and you can add more dry chili, so I'm gonna put that one, the fried chili there. So for decoration, actually, you don't have to. And I fried this holy basil earlier. Again, for my decoration. Well, do it this way is good, because if you want a crunchy basil, so you fry this one before you just separate the one fly and some of it put in with the chicken bone that you stir fry with. It's my mouth watering. Okay, here, done. So I eat with my steam right again. See, it's I have to go. I'm hungry. It is lunchtime. Okay, I hope you guys give it a try. Stir-fried chicken bone is so good, better than chicken meat, chicken breast, whatever you like to eat. But this one of my favorite. When I was in Thailand, I never cooked this. But when you live here, you buy whole chicken, you don't know what to do with it, and it's left over. So should I stir fry them? I want to eat it. So it's really good, guys. It's just one of my favorite. You can get chicken bone at a Asian grocery store. I don't think the American grocery store do have. They might have, because they do have some cutting. You can ask them. You might get some free or get really cheap. You have to ask the butcher. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for keep watching. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.